If you're a vanilla girl like I am, I'm talking like Bath and Body Works Warm Vanilla Sugar, like since day one vanilla girl, then keep watching. Literally when I buy anything like body wash, deodorant, perfume, like I want it to smell like vanilla, like sweet candy vanilla. So when I saw this was trending on TikTok, I had to get it. It's just another vanilla perfume, but everybody is like screaming about it and saying it smells really good. It's the Fleur Vanilla Skin. We're gonna see if it's worth the hype. This is my first time smelling it. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. It actually kind of smells like the Warm Vanilla Sugar from Bath and Body Works. Only a little bit though, like not fully. Oh my god, it almost smells like a mature vanilla cupcake. Like a really sweet vanilla perfume, but like more elevated, I guess. This might be better than the Sol de Janeiro. It might be. It also might be my new everyday perfume. I'm not gonna lie. It smells so good. If you're a vanilla girly, you have to try this. Like, you have to. Bye.